Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Today, let me start GK Unit F, The World Around Us, chapter number 34, Famous Cities of the World. Okay, try this quiz to brush up your knowledge of the world cities. Number 1. You are in a large square. On one side is St. Buses Cathedral. On another side is the Gum department store. Nearby is a walled fortress. In which city are you? Moscow. City is Moscow. Number 2, you are besides a large harbor. One of the world's largest steel span bridges is to your left. Behind you is a fantastic opera house with a roof of snails. In which city you are? Sydney. You are on the beach of a large city. Overlooking the city are mountains, one of which Sugarloaf Mountain. On another mountain is a large statue of Christ. In which city you are? कौन सा सिटी हुआ ये हुआ रियो दी जेनेरियो। रियो डी जेनेरियो। Okay. Number 4, you are crossing the Grand Canal by the Rialto Bridge. You cannot see the traffic on the canal below as there are stores on each side of the bridge. If you could see this traffic, it would include, okay, gondolas. In which city are you? Venice. Number 5, you are in Europe's highest capital. It is situated in the Pyrenees. Pyrenees, so it is Andorra la Vella. Andorra la Vella. Number 6, you are in the downtown area of a large city in North America. Rising high are the CL Tower and the two curved towers of City Hall. So this city has an American League baseball team and an NHL hockey team. In which city are you? So it is Toronto.
Yeah, in see.
The
Huh. Mm, mm, s-
2, 1, 2. Okay. Number 7,
maybe that's a good. s-
you are looking at the remains of a church tower. All that it is all that is left of a church destroyed in World War II. So a famous street in the city near the river Spree is called Unter den Linden. In the city are you? It is Berlin. You are looking at a statue of the Little Mermaid in the harbor of a city that has a large amusement park, Tivoli Gardens. In the city are you? So it is Copenhagen. Number 9, you are in a vast square. On one side of the square is the forbidding city. Also located here is a mausoleum where a former leader of the country is on display. So in which Asian capital are you? Which capital it is? Number 10, you are standing on a bridge over the river, seen looking at Notre Dame Cathedral. Another church in the city is the Church of Sacred Core. In which city are you? Paris. Okay. So everyone, This chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 35. It's economic capital. Try this quiz to brush up your knowledge. To the world of economic capital, choose the correct option. Number 1. I was the starting point of 2010 Tour de France. I was destroyed by German bombing during the Blitzkrieg, then rebuilt. I have served as the largest port city in Europe and a second in the world in terms of service. Who am I? So it is Rotterdam. B. I am the city closet to where the prime meridian and equator intersect. I was originally a small fishing village. I am the chief port city of Ghana. Who am I? It is Tema. I was the capital of Israel from 1948 until 1950. I housed the majority of Israel's population in my metropolitan area. I was founded in 1909, making me one of the newest cities in what was to become Israel. So who am I? So number 3 is A. Tel Aviv. This one. Number 4. I was the former capital of Port d'Ivoire. I have been the chief manufacturing center of Port d'Ivoire. I raised a metropolitan population of over 5 lakh in 2010. Who am I? So, Abidjan. Okay. So, everyone, this chapter is in here. Now, people, let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 36. Chapter number 36, famous town squares in the world. A town square is an open public space commonly found in the heart of a traditional town used for community gatherings. Most town squares are suitable for open markets, music concerts, political rallies, and other events that require from ground. Okay, so try this quiz to test your knowledge. Answer the following. Number 1. The world's most famous square is located at the junction of Broadway and 7th Avenue and stretching from West 42nd to West 47th Streets. It's filled with video screens, LED signs, and flashing lights and is known to be a major tourist attraction. It is also known for its famous New Year's Eve ball drum. So it is Times Square, and where is New York, US. It is Times Square. New York, US. Okay. Number 2, it is located in the heart of Moscow. It is surrounded by St. Basil's Cathedral, the State History Museum. Okay. So, Lenin's mausoleum and the Kremlin, it is Russia's most recognizable landmark and is usually tourist first stop in Moscow. So it is Red Square, Moscow, Russia. Number 3, it is the largest city square in the world. It is surrounded by Soviet-style monuments and government buildings. There is a ceremony for flag raising and lowering at dawn and dusk. Okay, it became famous due to the square massacre on 4th June 1989, in which troops with assault rifles and tanks inflicted thousands of casualties on unarmed civilians. This is Tiananmen Square, Where is Beijing, China?
Walk out in a candle. Okay. You know, maybe they need one wiki. Yeah, we now.
Okay. And the last one is number 4, located between Wenceslas Square and the Charles Bridge. It is often bustling with tourists and locals in the summer, featuring various architectural styles, includes the Gothic, okay, Tian Cathedral and Baroque St. Nicholas Church. The city square is an oasis who travelers tired of the narrow streets Hague. So this is Old Town Square.
Let it be. Live it low.
And where it is? Old Town Square, Prague's Republic.
Let's celebrate the moon. Widow, never phobia.
Republic. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 37. A city by the sea. Many of the world cities sit on the edge of sea, and with this quiz, it's up to you to determine the locations based on the clues. Choose the correct option. Okay, so the Caribbean Sea is home to a number of capital cities, including which of these on the island of Hispaniola? It is B. Santo Domingo. Number 2, found at the tip of Sinai Peninsula in the Red Sea, what Egyptian city is sometimes considered part of Asia? It is Sharm el Sheikh. C. This one. The largest city of the Caspian Sea, the world's largest land, Black Sea, though may consider it a lake, is which of these world capitals known for its oil industry? So this is B. Baku. Number 4, which of these cities is not found on the Baltic Sea coast? Rotterdam. D. Number 5, the westernmost part of the Mediterranean is the Alban Sea, which also include the Strait of Gibraltar. Which European city can be found in this region? So answer is B. Malaga. Which of these cities found on the Sea of Japan? Vladivostok. Which of these southern hemisphere cities can be found on the edge of the Tasman Sea? So it is Canberra. No, sorry, Sydney. C. C. Sydney. Number 8. The Black Sea is the major body of water for what Winter Olympic city? So answer is Sochi. A. Number 9. Only one of these locations is in the South China Sea. But which is it? South China. Da Nang. D. Venice, Italy is on the Adriatic Sea, a smaller part of the Mediterranean. What walled city can also be found on this body of water? It is Dubrovnik. So everyone, the chapter is in here. This chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 38. Chapter number 38, National and International Events. In India, we habitually celebrate many days. So which are of social, international, economic, okay, commemorative or festive importance? Some of the days are also significant for general studies. Has at least one question about the celebration of the important days and days. So every international day adopt a theme for that year. So the concerned authorities formulate the policies according to the theme adopted for the year. So answer the following questions. Question number 1. When did the Pulwama attack happen? So on 14 Feb. On 14 Feb 2019 in in Pulwama. Okay. Number 2. Who won the Man Booker International Prize 2019? Who won the Man Booker? It is Oman Jokha. Oman Jokha Ajay Nath for his novel. For his novel. Number 3. Who has launched the world's largest nuclear power icebreaker? Who has got Russia? Number 4. When did the terrorist attack happen in Sri Lanka on 21 April 2019 and in which around मतलब जब भी हुआ था then 259 people was killed. Number 5. When was the legal ban on triple talaq imposed? 1 August 2019. On August 1, 2019. Number 6. Who is the first Indian to be crowned as Miss Deaf World? So, Vidisha Balyan. Vidisha Balyan of Muzaffarnagar. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 49. Run down the line. There are several world cities which share the same longitude. Read the clues given the name of one of the cities and then answer the other city. So choose the correct option. Number 1, longitude 130 degree west. Vancouver in Canada is on the same longitude as this American city which lies on the Pacific Ocean. So it has the largest community of Chinese people outside of China. So where I am, it is C, San Francisco. Longitude 90 degree west. Havana in Cuba is on the same longitude as this America city which lies on the Mississippi River. Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated in the city outside room 306 at the Lorraine Motel. So where I am? हम कहाँ पे होंगे? तो ये है जगह Memphis. D. Number 3. Longitude 80 degree west. Toronto in Canada is on the same longitude as the Colombian city, which is home to two soccer stadium, Stadio El Campín and Stadio Metropolitano de Teco. Where I am? So I am in Bogota. C. Longitude 60 degree west. Montevideo in Uruguay is on the same longitude as this capital city of an island in the Atlantic Ocean. The same island has been part of a tug-of-war battle between Argentina and Great Britain. So where I am? In Port Stanley. D. Number 5. Longitude 10 degree west. Liverpool in England is on the same longitudes as this African city, which is home to Hassan II Mosque, one of largest mosques in the world. So where am I? So we are in Casablanca. Casablanca. Question number 6. Longitude 10 degree. Also in Norway is on the same longitude as the city in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1980 with history which dates back to the Knights of St. John of Jerusalem. So there I am. So I am in Valletta. D. Number 7. Longitude 40 degree east. Basra in Iraq is on the same longitude as the city on the Arabian Peninsula. So the city is famous for King Fahd Road. So where I am? I am in Riyadh. Longitude 70 degree east. Mumbai in India is on the same longitude as the city in northern Pakistan. Alexander the Great and Genghis Khan used it as a route to invade South Asia. So where I am? Islamabad. Number 9. Longitude 100 degree east. Phnom Penh in Cambodia is on the same longitudes as this Mongolian city, which has rail connection to Russia and China by way of the famous Trans-Siberian Railway. So where I am? I am in Ulaanbaatar. Longitude 100 degree east. Melbourne in Australia is on the same longitude as the city located on an island in the Pacific Ocean. So one of the main languages is Tok Pisin, and the people who use this language call their city Port Moresby, where I am. So answer number 10 is D. Port Moresby. So everyone, all the chapter of this unit is completed here. I hope you all are very well understand this chapter. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.